If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update today. And we're looking at JASMY down here. It's I like how the monthly is all just red. Look at all this blood right over here. Okay, and just want to bring in the EMAs on the monthly. I actually thought for a second we were looking for even to go up to the 10. We were actually meant to go up to the 10 somehow in the future. But anyways, there's nothing too much about the monthly other than, making this bullish engulfing on a monthly and making a little bit of that green candle to the upside as well. So that was pretty awesome. Now, at the moment, there was a technical target here of this flag that we broke out of previously. I don't know if it's met, but I'm just going to check it again. And it was from there to there, and you came down here, and you can see that this target was never met. And it actually even points to 1526. And if you actually talk about 1526, you're looking for a 74% move down. It's actually going to scare a lot of people. And I don't want to scare anyone at the moment, but on the smaller time frame, I've talked in a greater detail about a trend line. Okay, so if people are trading, I don't know, I want to ask people a question like, if you don't believe in TA, right? If you don't believe in TA and you come to other people's videos and you try to comment, oh, everyone is just a TA analyst, it works 5% of the time, or JASMY is just an amazing coin, it will do the things by itself, it's just gonna go up because Sony is involved, it's the best project, blah blah blah. Now I'm not talking about long-term holding and stuff like that. I don't even know if long-term we're going to make it to the upside. I've seen a lot of coins come and go, amazing project. That even JASMY, I can tell you, Monero is an amazing project. It's better than JASMY. Zcash is better than JASMY, but they never did it. They never made it. They never even recovered, by the way. Okay, people have been waiting for years and years and years. So this dark side of crypto is it was a lot of hype, I don't know. And some of them did actually make it up. A lot of them had hype and they actually did move up. Solana, for example. Dogecoin, for example. So I'm not saying anything about long term, right? But if you come down to the short term, where actually TA does work on the smaller time frame and in the small span of your time, then we talk about a trend line, right? And you have a trend line, and I talked about this trend line. I told you that. And by the way, I told you right in the beginning of the time, even before the trend line was lost, okay, that this is a trend line, keep an eye on a trend line. And as soon as the trend line was lost, I've already closed the trade. So basically, anyone listening right now is already 13% safe, right? They're not in any kind of a problem. If you're in a trade, if you're in a long term, that's a different thing. If you're in a long term, I'm not bothered. I'm not even talking about long term. At the moment, I just want to dive in the 1 hour time frame here, and let's talk about the 1 hour time frame, because it seems like you're making some continuation pattern on the 1 hours. And let's look at this. So from there to there and from here to here, and I've been telling you in yesterday's video about an oversold level in the daily, and that's what I need to see for JASMY. So you do have a technical target right now for JASMY to come down to 5520. Now the thing about coming down here is you having one more chance to visit the 55 EMA, okay? That's you coming to the 55. So this is your last hope. If you end up closing below the 55 and you hit your head on this blue line like this, and you come with the 10 and the 20, this red and the yellow line, and you make a bear cross just like you made a bull cross here and you went up, you make a bear cross there and you go down again. And this would mean that it could be even that you're interested to go really down to 2000 and even down to that area, this area that I've been giving you a long time ago before we started this pump here. Now I'm not saying it's going to happen, but again, go step by step, okay? Go step by step. At least for now, the step is 5520, and when we come down to 5520, as this is your technical target, and by the way, before I close the video, there is a place point of invalidation as well. So invalidation is going to be up to 6,308. Okay, so coming up to 6,308 is going to invalidate things, and you could go back to visit this trend line once again. So that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz. You can trade with very low risk, and we trade patterns. What if I'm searching for a pattern and I tell you to trade a pattern like this was Kishu that we trade actually, And then I give you some very quick updates in a very simple place, in one place at all. And these quick updates can help you to trade with me, okay? Whenever I trade, you trade with me, and I use my experience and my best knowledge, which you have been looking at, and you get to do the same with proper money management, and you get more chances of winning, which actually give you more guidance, and you don't have to be worried about your daily routine. It doesn't actually get disturbed. Now all you have to do is just come down to the description of the video, scroll down, go to the signals agreement. You see this video and you agree to the agreement. It's a very simple, very straightforward agreement, nothing big. And then you click on Discord and you join the Discord. Now once you have joined the Discord, all you have to do is go to the announcement tab and click on my name, Adam Coins, and all you do is you can click on message and you message me if you want to join and you're interested. So the entries do close by the end of the month, not too much time there.